Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different kind of wood phone handler ideas, those you can use for personal use or sell. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting wood phone holders presents a fantastic opportunity for both personal use and entrepreneurial endeavors, allowing artisans to combine creativity with functionality while meeting the growing demand for stylish and practical accessories in a tech-driven world. The versatility of wood as a material opens up numerous design possibilities, enabling creators to explore various styles that cater to different tastes and preferences. For personal use, a handmade wood phone holder can serve as a beautiful and practical addition to any space, whether it be at home, in the office, or on the go. The process of designing and crafting a phone holder can be deeply satisfying, as artisans can tailor their creations to reflect their personal aesthetic, incorporating elements that resonate with their individual style. One compelling idea is to create a sleek, minimalist phone holder that emphasizes clean lines and simplicity. This design can be achieved by selecting a single piece of wood, such as maple or walnut, and carving it into a gentle curve that cradles the phone securely while allowing for easy access to the screen. The natural beauty of the wood grain can be highlighted through a clear finish, bringing warmth and elegance to the piece. This minimalist approach not only complements modern decor, but also serves as a reminder of the beauty of natural materials in an age dominated by synthetic products. Creating such a holder for personal use can enhance the workspace, providing a designated spot for the phone that reduces clutter and promotes a sense of organization. For those considering selling their creations, the potential for customization can significantly increase the appeal of wooden phone holders. Personalization options, such as engraving names, initials, or meaningful quotes, can transform a simple phone holder into a cherished gift for loved ones. This level of customization allows artisans to connect with their customers on a personal level, creating a product that holds special significance. Craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms provide excellent avenues for showcasing these personalized items, tapping into a market that values unique and thoughtful gifts. The act of creating customized phone holders not only fosters a sense of connection between the artisan and the customer, but also enhances the perceived value of the product, allowing for higher price points and increased sales potential. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another innovative design idea for phone holders involves incorporating multifunctionality, catering to the needs of modern users who often juggle multiple devices and accessories. A wood phone holder that includes compartments for charging cables, headphones, or even a small plant can serve as an all-in-one solution for organization and aesthetic appeal. For instance, a holder featuring a built-in groove for charging cables can help keep cords tidy and prevent them from tangling, making the phone holder not only a stylish accessory, but also a practical solution for everyday challenges. This multifunctional approach not only enhances the usability of the product, but also aligns with the trend of minimizing clutter in living and workspaces, making it an attractive option for potential buyers. Artisans can also explore different shapes and forms when creating wood phone holders, allowing for creativity and innovation to shine through. A stand that resembles a playful animal, such as a bear or an elephant, can appeal to children and parents alike, making it a fun and whimsical addition to a bedroom or playroom. Alternatively, a more abstract or geometric design can resonate with those who appreciate contemporary art, bridging the gap between functionality and artistic expression. By experimenting with various shapes, artisans can create a diverse range of products that cater to different demographics, expanding their market reach and enhancing their brand identity. Sustainability is an increasingly important factor for consumers today, and artisans can leverage this trend by utilizing reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood for their phone holders. Crafting with reclaimed wood not only adds character and uniqueness to each piece, but also resonates with environmentally conscious buyers who prioritize eco-friendly products. Additionally, artisans can share the story behind their materials, emphasizing the sustainable practices involved in their craft. This transparency not only builds trust with customers, but also adds an emotional layer to the purchase, as buyers feel they are supporting a responsible and ethical business. The finishing touches on wood phone holders can further enhance their appeal, allowing artisans to experiment with different stains, paints, and finishes that align with current design trends. A matte finish can provide a modern and sophisticated look, while a glossy finish can exude elegance and refinement. Additionally, incorporating color through stains or paints can cater to a wider audience, enabling artisans to create holders that fit seamlessly into various decor styles. By carefully selecting and applying finishes, artisans can elevate the aesthetic of their phone holders, ensuring they stand out in a competitive market. Creating wood phone holders also offers an opportunity for artisans to engage in storytelling through their craft. Each piece can carry a narrative, whether it's about the inspiration behind the design, the journey of sourcing the materials, or the personal connection the artisan has to the creation process. Sharing these stories through social media or product descriptions can foster a deeper connection with customers, transforming a simple product into a meaningful experience. This storytelling aspect can be particularly effective in an online marketplace, where consumers often seek authenticity and connection with the brands they support. Networking with other artisans and participating in local craft events can provide valuable insights and inspiration for wood phone holder projects. Collaborating with fellow crafters can lead to innovative design ideas and the sharing of techniques that enhance the quality of the products. Moreover, these connections can create opportunities for cross-promotion, expanding the reach of individual artisans and fostering a supportive community within the crafting space. Engaging with a network of like-minded individuals can also provide a source of motivation and encouragement, helping artisans stay inspired and committed to their craft. Ultimately, crafting wood phone holders represents a harmonious blend of artistry, functionality, and personal expression. Whether creating for personal enjoyment or exploring entrepreneurial avenues, artisans have the chance to design pieces that resonate with modern consumers while adding beauty and practicality to everyday life. The process of designing and making these holders provides an outlet for creativity, allowing artisans to experiment with materials, shapes, and finishes that reflect their unique style. As they navigate the journey of crafting and selling their creations, artisans can forge meaningful connections with customers, transforming simple wood phone holders into cherished items that enhance both personal spaces and broader living environments. In a world that increasingly values individuality and sustainability, wood phone holders crafted with care and intention can stand out as not only functional accessories, but also as beautiful expressions of craftsmanship and creativity. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked wood phone handler ideas you can use for your personal use or sell. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already.